Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a parallax background in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's parallax scrolling option, which gives your website a modern and dynamic feel as visitors scroll down. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the parallax effect. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, choose the section you want to style and click on the section settings. In the Content tab, open the Background settings. Here you can add a background image, upload one from your computer or select an existing one from your media library. Once the image is in place, you will see it fill the background of that section. Now, right below the background image settings, you will see an option for parallax effect. Divi gives you two types, True Parallax and CSS Parallax. True Parallax moves the background image at a different speed than the foreground content, creating depth as you scroll. CSS Parallax simply fixes the image in place while the rest of the content scrolls over it. Try both and see which one fits your design better. To make the effect even stronger, you can layer the background with colors, gradients, or overlays. This helps text and buttons stand out clearly while keeping the parallax motion in the background. Next, go to the Design tab if you want to adjust spacing and layout. You might want to add more padding so that visitors see more of the background image as they scroll. You can also combine parallax with Divi's animations or scroll effects for a more dynamic feel. Once you are happy with the look, click the green checkmark to save the section. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and scroll down. You will now see your background image move with a smooth parallax effect. This is a simple way to make your website feel modern and engaging using Divi's parallax background options. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.